It says primary uses something plural and therefore is not going to be correct. Choices A and D can very comfortably go. It's among B, C and E now. B looks really long, so let's look at this first. This usage, the case of, is just not needed. The primary uses of sonar on any civilian maritime vessel are the locating and salvaging, and also the case of just not needed. Something like are the locating and salvaging and something like the safe navigating would be enough. The case of is just not needed. B can very comfortably go. It's between C and E now. Let's compare them vertically. Now understanding the grammatical construction here is very important. The primary uses of sonar, this is extra information, don't worry about it. Main sentences, the primary uses of sonar are, now answer choice C has a construction on the lines. The primary uses of sonar are the locating, so let's call locating A, comma, salvaging and something. So A, comma, B1 and B2. This is the construction here. This second part has two parts in it, salvaging something, but then these two parts, B1 and B2, need to be parallel. Salvaging of something is not parallel to in the safe navigating. So C must go. In answer choice E, we have uses are the locating and salvaging of. So this is on the lines of A1 and A2, locating and salvaging. And see, A1 and A2 are practically one entity here, locating and salvaging of something. And then you have an and here, and B. So see, technically there are just two elements, A and B. So not having a comma here and simply having an and makes sense. Remember, comma before and is needed when there are more than two elements in a list. If it is A, comma, B, comma, and C, this usage is correct because there are more than two elements and before the last element you have a comma and construction. This comma here is called the Oxford comma. But if there are just two elements, you say simply A and B. No comma needed. And such is the construction in answer choice E, and such is the meaning also. A1 and A2, locating and salvaging, and C, A1 and A2 are very much parallel, locating and salvaging, and then you have B, which is the safe navigation of something. In answer choice C, there were two problems. First, B1 and B2 were not parallel, salvaging of something, and in the safe navigating something. You don't join two elements through a comma, you join them through an and, A and B format. So another reason why C must go. There are other problems with other answer choices. For example, this term also here is redundant. So in fact, the complete phrase also the case of is redundant. Then answer choice C gives it a list-like format, are locating, salvaging and in the safe navigating. So again, two problems there. Locating and salvaging should form one phrase for the intended meaning as we have in answer choice E here. And then even if it were a list of three elements A, comma, B and C, then you would need this Oxford comma here. There is no Oxford comma here before this and. So this construction has multiple issues. And then in answer choice D, you have and the safe navigating of. Safe navigating of is awkward. It should be safe navigation of. You know it's going to be a noun, the something. So the safe navigation of would be the right usage. So answer choices which use this term safe navigating have one more demerit. Answer choices B, C and D. So a lot wrong with other answer choices. Let's confirm answer choice E once end to end. The primary uses of sonar, this is extra information so don't worry about it. The primary uses are the locating and salvaging of something and the safe navigation of something else. Makes complete sense. E is the correct answer choice here.